Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to be doing our mathematics lesson. Number symbols and names. It says provide the number symbols for the following number names. Let us read the number names. 67, 85, 132. Now this is how you write your number symbols. 67 is 6, 7. 85 is 8 and 5. 132 is 1, 3, 2. Now we need to provide the number names for the following numbers. Let's read the numbers. 29, 36, 50. So this is how we will write the number names. 29 is TWENTY. 9 is NINE. 36 is THIRTY and SIX. 50 is FIFTY. Ordering numbers from smallest to biggest. A. 18, 28, 32, 55, 46. We have our set of numbers which we need to arrange from smallest to biggest. The smallest number in this set of numbers is 18. As you can see, I have scratched out 18 and I wrote it at the bottom. The next number will be 28. So I have scratched out 28 and I wrote it at the bottom. Now we have three numbers left: 32, 55 and 46. The next number will be 32. So I have scratched out 32 and I wrote it at the bottom. Now we have 55 and 46 left. 46 is smaller than 55. So I wrote 46 at the bottom and I have scratched it out from my set of numbers. The last number that was left was 55. So you can see I have scratched out 55 and I wrote it at the bottom. Now let us read the set of numbers from smallest to biggest. 18, 28, 32, 46 and 55. So now, boys and girls, we are ordering numbers from biggest to smallest. Let's read the set of numbers. 26, 35, 62, 40 and 54. So now, boys and girls, we are ordering numbers from biggest to smallest. Let's read the set of numbers. 26, 35, 62, 40 and 54. Remember, we need to put the biggest number first. So the biggest number here is 62. I have scratched out 62 and I wrote it at the bottom. The next number will be 54. I have scratched out 54 and I wrote it at the bottom. Now we have 26, 35 and 40 left. From those numbers that were left, 40 was the biggest. So 40 will go next. As you can see, I have scratched it out and I wrote it at the bottom. Now we have 26 and 35 left. 35 is bigger than 26. So 35 will go next. As you can see, I have scratched out 35 and I wrote it at the bottom. My last number that was left was 26. I have scratched it out and I wrote it at the end. Now let us read the numbers from biggest to smallest. 62, 54, 40, 35, and 26. Now we are going to be doing place value. It says decompose the following numbers into tens and units. Which two numbers make up 33? So remember, boys and girls, decompose means to break up the number. Then we need to see how many tens and how many units we have. So when we break up 33, we get 30 plus 3, which makes 33. When we break it down further into tens and units, we get 3 tens and 3 units. Now, children, we are going to be doing patterns, functions, and algebra. It says draw lines to match column A to column B. So children, as you can see, column A and column B has different shapes. Let's go through column A. The first block, we have square, circle, square, circle. And in the second block, we have heart, diamond, heart, diamond. Now let's look at column B. In the first block at the top, we have heart, diamond, heart, diamond. And in our second block, we have square, circle, square, circle. So here, boys and girls, as you can see, I have matched column A with column B by putting in arrows. So you can see in column A, my first block matches with the second block of column B. Square, circle, square, circle. And my second block of column A matches with my first block in column B. Heart, diamond, heart, diamond. Now we need to complete the following number patterns. Let us go through these numbers. Number 1, 12, 14, 16. So we need to see what we're counting in. 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16. So which means we are counting in twos. Number 2, 20, 23, 26. Let's see what we are counting in. 20, 21, 22, 23. Which means we are counting in threes. Number 3, 40, 44, 48. So let's see what we're counting in. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, which means we are counting in fours. Number 4, 75, 80, 85. Let's count from 75. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So which means we are counting in fives. And number 5, 100, 110, 120. So let's count from 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. So here we are counting in tens. Now, boys and girls, as you can see, I have completed the number patterns. Let's go through it now. Number 1, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Remember, we were counting in twos here. Number 2, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35. So here we were counting in threes. Number 3, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. Here, boys and girls, we were counting in fours. Number 4. 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Here, boys and girls, remember, we were counting in fives. Number 5. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So here, we were counting in tens. Let us do our space and shape, positions and views. Look at the pictures and say if it is front, top, or side view. So boys and girls, as you can see in our first picture, we have a picture of the tree. As you can see, this is from the top view. Our second picture is a picture of the car. So we can see the front of the car. So this means this is the front view. And our last picture, we can see a house and the side of the car. So this means it is the side view. Now you can see I have written for the picture of the tree, top view in the block. The picture of the car, front view in the block. And the picture of the house and the car, side view in the block. Now it says, circle the picture that shows the chick is in front. As you can see, boys and girls, we have two pictures here. Now we need to see which picture shows that the chick is in the front. So it is the first picture. The chick is in the front. Now it says, circle the picture that shows the chick is behind. So here, children, you can see that I have circled the second picture, which shows that the chick is behind. Now we have come to the end of our lesson. Children, please do not forget to complete your mathematics activities in your work pack.